My name is Rustin Hughes. I am the president of Be Bold, and we help people of all abilities get into adaptive sports. I do mixed martial arts, boxing, kickboxing, and Jiu Jitsu. I believe I am the first above the knee amputee to go from white belt to black belt in the United States. And I just turned 50 years old as well. First socket that I had, it wasn't the best socket. It was very noisy. It made a lot of noise. And I just didn't want a lot of attention being brought to me. And I was very frustrated with everything that was going on. And my physical therapist recommended Joe Johnson. And the first day that I came into Quorum Prosthetics, they had a test socket put on me that day. We started documenting my boxing with the old socket first, and then the progression that I made through the months was amazing. The benefit that I enjoy the most is working out. I sweat a lot. With a conventional socket, it takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to take the socket off and put it back on, where I can take this socket, take my leg out, take the liner off, dry everything off, put it back on, and I'm ready to go. This socket is way more durable. I just love how light that it is as well, especially because just a couple ounces affects the way that I'm able to move. And I love this socket, how quick it is to take on and off. And I climbed a 14er as well, not that long ago. And I think, having a socket that you can really depend upon is huge.